How to use threads for personal blogging. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can head over and then click on this plus icon. So doing this will actually allow you to create a blog for yourself. Like for example, let's put in here blog one day one. And then you can just put in here your entry for that. And then in here, you just click on post. Now, for example, it's already come tomorrow and it's already the tomorrow of to this day. You can head over and click on that blog and then you can reply from that. Now you can just put here blog to day two. Now on the blogs, you can also attach images. Just click on this image icon or this camera icon and you can head over and post it. Alternatively, you can also just head over and then just create a new post instead of replying to this blog that you have just made. So that's how you use threads for personal blogging. Hope we help.